Hey French horns, this is this tutorial for 1 octave scale number 8. So that is concert D, your A. All right, let's take a look at that scale. We've got 2 ledger lines down, 2 fingers down for A, right? And we can look on the fingering chart, that is right there. The next note is B natural. So just like on our scale 6, that is second valve, not first valve. So B natural next. Then we go to a C, but there's a sharp in front of it, which is probably going to tell us that's going to be a little bit different. So let's look over here. C sharp is right here on the fingering chart, and we've got 1 and 2 for C sharp. Then we have good old D, first valve. E is open. Next note, F sharp. We know F sharp from the scale 6, that is second valve. Then we have a G with a sharp next to it. So let's investigate over here. We find G second line with the sharp next to it, and that is trigger 2, 3. The top note of the scale is A, which is trigger 1, 2. So the valve combination at the end of that is going to be trigger 2, 3, and then trigger 1, 2. You leave the trigger down in between those two and just flip your fingers. Okay, so we're going to play that scale with the test note first, forwards and backwards. So here we go. Test note on low A. So just 1 and 2, no trigger. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, then we turn the page over for your 1 octave version. Okay, the pass off version, in other words. Okay, and there we have it. So remember, we can take these sharps that are in the key signature, and if we need to, we can mark them onto the music. So we might want to put a natural in front of the B, or maybe you're getting used to that. Maybe you don't need that natural there. But for the C, that's definitely a critical note on this one. You may want a sharp in front of that. Okay, remember the sharp is like a hashtag marking. Okay, D is regular, E is regular. F, you could put a sharp in front of that F, and then a sharp in front of the G. Remember, in front of is to the left of the note. When we go to regular A, we'll come back to the G sharp. You could put a sharp right there. You could put a sharp there for the F sharp. You could put a sharp here between the D and the C sharp for the C sharp. You might want to put a natural for the B. Now on the arpeggio, you have A and then C sharp. Okay, 1 and 2 for the C sharp. E is open and then A at the top. So here we go. We'll have test note and then playing scale number 8. Put down 1 and 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2, read in. All right, so that is scale number 8.